Is the indie game developer dream dead? Can you truly make a living by creating games that you want to play, games that you dreamed of since you were a little kid, the first time you played a game, and you wanted to become a game developer? Can you sustain yourself by doing that? Well, if you watch the indie game, the movie, you will see how difficult it is to create your own games and to succeed with that. Especially takes a lot of time and all of that stuff. So, is it better to become an indie game developer or to get a job in a game studio? Well, let's take a look at the pros and cons of both and how you can combine the both to get the best of both worlds. So basically, as I said, creating a game from scratch, especially on your own, takes a lot of time. And this is what most beginners do not understand. For some reason, people just want to get into game development and they want to create a game and they hope that it will get millions of downloads and all that stuff. Well, that was 2010. But now it's 2020 and above, and that doesn't work anymore. Flappy Bird is over. It cannot happen. So I'm not telling you to kill your game development dreams like this or to discourage you to even try. No, actually, I've tried to do this and I showed people how to do this. I've opened my game studio. We created a bunch of games. We posted game dev blogs about that. And I showed people how to do that, how to publish games and all of that stuff. But I want to bring your focus on or make you think about these things, how you can do it in a better way. I want you to think about the correct way because it's not creating a game, publishing it, getting success with it is not only about sitting down, learning Unity or Unreal Engine, typing blah, 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 creating a game, publish it, and people will download it. No, that's not how it works. Because if you're creating your own game, you need to create your assets, you need to program everything, you need to have the audio ready, you need to sync all of that together. It takes a lot of time. As I said, the best illustration of this is Indie Game the Movie. If you didn't watch that, I highly encourage you to watch it. Just search it online. I'm not going to put links to that below. I'm going to put links to my site. I'm not going to promote that. But anyways, what is the solution? Well, for me, or how I see things, you need to be smart about this. So the better way is to actually first get a job in a game studio. It doesn't have to be, your dream game studio. If your dream is to work in a game studio eventually, work on big games and yada, yada, yada. It doesn't have to be the best game studios that are out there and blah, 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 blah. You can get a job in any game studio that you want because the income is what matters. That's the first thing, because with income, you can buy assets for your game. You can hire people to create assets for your game. You can even hire people to work with you on your game. And that is much faster because you and some other person that you hire working on your game is gonna double fast the time that it will take you to create that game as if you were working on your own or alone. Second, you will meet new people. You will meet people in that game studio who you can get advice from, you will learn from, you will see how everything functions, how creating a game actually works, what you need to do, what you need to think about. And the best part is you might get some of those people to team up with you and create your game or create the game with you. Of course, they will have a percentage, whatever, but still, again, you will create that game much faster. And again, I'm mentioning the Indie Game Movie. If you watch that, you will see that creators of Super Meat Boy, it took them 5 years to create a game. And I cannot remember for the other games, like there was Fez. I believe it was like 2 years or stuff like that. More than 5 years. It was more than 5 years. It was in development for 4 years before it actually saw the public, before the public saw the game. So it takes a lot of time. And of course, there are examples of games that took 1 year, half a year, and they were success. And this is what I want you to do. So basically, my advice is first get a job in a game studio. You will gain experience. You will get income. You can then do a lot of things with that income. You will learn new people. And then you focus on creating your game. And of course, you will have to do this part-time. But again, when you have income from a game studio, you can hire people to work on your game. So do not get into game development to create a game right away and forget all about those things that you hear and see online, like, oh, get a Kickstarter, do this, do that. It takes a lot of time to get the Kickstarter rolling, to do all of those things. And most of the time, like 99%, you will fail because you have to, and again, I'm not discouraging you, but it takes a lot of work. It's not just putting it on Kickstarter page and telling people about it and yada, yada, yada. Every single day, somebody's putting up a Kickstarter, asking for money for his game, for his project, for that and that. And you have to compete with all those people and stand out. And most of game developers don't know how to do social media. They don't know, they don't even think about running ads, and they don't know how to do that. Overall, they have no presence online. So they just hope that they can post on Reddit, I don't know, post on Facebook groups, post on some other websites where game developers hang out and people will share their things and they will get, 100,000 people to donate. No, that's not how it works. So work smart, not hard. And that's how you will get the best of both worlds. You will work in a game studio, will have experience from there. You can transfer that experience and create your own games. And remember, those games don't have to be large. It can be a game that can be played in 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours. There are examples of games that have 7 hours of gameplay and they earn tens of millions of dollars. So yeah, that's my 2 cents. How to think about creating indie games or getting a job in a game studio.